Hey guys, in the last lesson we talked about the commands regarding the block and explode. Now remember that in the last lesson we had the block, right? The block that we have made. Let's say so we deleted all of these blocks, and if I would like to get it back, how can I get it back? Simply by using the command insert. So if I say insert, I enter like this, insert, okay, and it will show you the recent blocks. You can see this one, which is here, EHO, which is electric heating. So I click on it like this and put the insertion point, so like this. Okay, so this is the insert command in order to insert an element that you already have done, or a block that you already have done in AutoCAD program. Okay, so that's the first thing. Number two, I would like to do the mirror. So the command number two is mirror. What does mirror do? Let's say we have a circle like this, and let's say we have a rectangle like this, and I would like to mirror this. How can I do this? Simply by using a command mi, which is mirror. What are the objects that you would like to mirror? I would like to mirror this and this and this. Okay, then enter. It says specify first point of mirror line. So we have an object, so we have a mirror that we are going to use to mirror the object. So let's say also F8 like this, and click here, and let's look at here. So you can see this is our mirror. You can see every object on the left side is mirrored on the other side. Okay, so that is the mirror command. If you close also ortho command or orthogonal command from F8, you can see I can mirror it in different ways like this by moving this. So if I click like this, I will mirror it. Okay, now the last thing that the AutoCAD will ask you is that you would like to erase source objects or not. What does this mean? If you click on yes, it means that it will delete this part and leave the mirror part. Like this, if I say yes, then it will delete the original and keep the mirror part. If not, like this, select them and mi mirror like this, specify first point. Okay, so if you selected the objects before putting the command, it will skip the object selection part. So, and like this, and then we do like to erase? No, I don't. So it will keep the original and the mirror part. So we learned till now about insert command and the other command, which is mirror. Great. Now we would like also to learn about another one which is helpful. Okay, what is it? Let's just delete this and delete this. Okay, this command is called the scale. If I would like to scale something, makes it bigger or smaller. So I would say SC, which is scale like this, and select my own object like this. Select this one, then enter. Then specify base point. What is the point at which you are going to scale your own object, from here or where? If I select here, for example, like this, you can see I can scale it, make it bigger or smaller as you would like this. Okay, then click anywhere and the object will become bigger like this. Okay, another way is to simply select it like this and scale SC like this, enter, and it will say specify base point. Let's see the difference. If I click here, it will become bigger and smaller around this point, similar to rotation. Okay, like this. Okay, another thing that you will see is that instead of just making it randomly like this, you can put a scale factor. You can see specify scale factor. So if I say 10, means that it makes it bigger 10 times, and enter, you can see that it's scaled by 10 times. Okay, Okay, so that is for this. If I have a text like this, go to text like this and say Maddie like this, okay, and we have our text, right? So if I go like this, I can see it at all. If I extend, you can see it is very, very small text. So if I go like this, I can't even see it. Okay, so no problem at all. So let's just zoom here and type text like this and type anything like this. Okay, now if I would like to scale this, so I can select it, and if I would like to scale, how can I scale it? Simply double click like this, and as you can see, you can select the size from here. Instead of 0.2, let's say 200 like this, and enter. So it will become, as you can see, bigger. As you can see, another way is to just select it and type scale SC like this and specify base point, let's say from here, and then you will be able to scale it upwards and downwards like this. So this is another way to scale an object. Okay, so let's just delete all of this like this and keep this one. Okay, so we learned about insert, we learned about mirror, we learned about scale. Okay, great.